Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to my students. How are you doing? Fine. Okay, that's good. And what we are doing is this book. As I always show you this book, that the students of my class should remember that we are going through this book, which is Cambridge IGCSE mathematics, and the course number is, I told you before, is 0580 0580 and 0980. Okay, now we were doing exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3 and question number 2 and onwards. 2 and onwards. Now the topic of our lecture was that we were using the angle relationship to find the unknown angles. Now, there again are some questions which are based on same format. So, we are doing it from question number 2. So, let's get started now. So, let's start it from question number 2, part A. Now, there is a figure given or a diagram is given, and we are given with one angle and one unknown angle. So, we have to find the unknown angle with the help of the known angle. So what we do, I just draw the diagram first, freehand, that we don't waste our time on drawing it very accurately and precisely. So this is the figure in which this angle is given to be 112 degree. This is 112 degree, 112 degree, and this angle, the rest of the angle is asked x. 112 degree and angle x. Since these are the supplementary angles, x plus 112 degree are the supplementary angles. Therefore, it means that both angle when added are 180 degree. Are 180 degree. So what we do here is x plus 112 is equal to 180. You can also write the degree sign, the degree symbol. So what we do, by using a simple algebraic method, we'll shift this 112 over here, or first, at very first question I do it for you. The method to shift is like this. We make it 0, and whatsoever we do on the left hand side, we are compelled to do it on right hand side also, to equate the balance, to equate this equation. So you see that this becomes 0. Now we don't use this step, and in the upcoming questions I will not use this step. I'll just put this over here. Now x will become 180 minus 112. What is 180 and 112? 18. 8 and 7 out 1 is 6. Okay. Now it is 68 degree. Now this x is 68 degree because we know that this is a supplementary angle, and by the use of supplementary angle format we have come to know that x is equal to 68 degree. Let's proceed to the next question. Now dear students, just watch this very carefully. I told you what does this Sine means, this means that this is 90 degree. Okay, now this angle is 90 degree, and therefore when this 90 is 90 degree, and according to this supplementary angles, these supplementary angles, you know that these are supplementary angles, so this is also supplementary angle, this is also supplementary angle. If I hide this angle, if I hide this 50-degree angle, let us hide it, then there are two angles only, this angle and this angle. Okay, now, if this is a 90 degree, then this remaining portion is also 90 degree. I mark it with the green color. Now, this portion is also 90 degree. Okay. Now, it means that we are left with x plus 550. No, this is part B. X plus 50 is equal to 90 degree. X plus 50 is equal to 90 degree, because these are the complementary angles. Now these are the complementary angle, the whole was supplementary angle, the whole was the supplementary angle, and this portion only, this portion 50 plus x is the complementary angle. So it means that just shift this 50 over here, we'll minus it like this, we'll subtract it, and the answer will be 40 degree. Now there are two angles like this. Now you know what is the property of this. These are the two lines. These are the two lines which are intersecting each other at one common point. This is one common point. Now dear students, for your knowledge, I may tell you that we'll be in the chapters where we'll do the equations for lines. Now these two lines will act as a simultaneous equations. The common point will be this one. So anyway, that is far away. Now what are the angles over here? The angles are, this is the angle x, this is angle x, this is angle y, and this is, what is it, angle 115. 115. Now we have to find the unknown angles. Now there are two unknown angles over here, x and y, and we know that when this situation occurs, when two lines intersect each other at one common point, two opposite angles are, vertically opposite angles are formed. Now a pair of this is vertically opposite and a pair of this is vertically opposite angles. And when we say vertically opposite angles, the vertically opposite angles are equal. Now this s is equal to this x. This x is equal to this x. I can write it x over here. Yes, I can write it, because these are the vertically opposite angles and these are also vertically opposite angles, and we know that vertically opposite angles are always equal. Now this x is equal to this x and this y is equal to this y. Since this y is given to you, so it means that y is equal to 115 degree. So we can write it without any fear that y is equal to 115 degree. Now what about x over here and x over here? Now since if you hide this, if you hide this portion, you hide this portion, you hide this portion, then you see that there is only one line from here to here and an angle x and 150. So this is a supplementary angle. This plus this is a supplementary angle. Now x plus y, x plus y is a supplementary angle. Okay, x plus y. Now this is why you know that y is equal to 115 degree. So x plus y is equal to supplementary angles, and you know that the supplementary angles are 180 degree. Now let me solve it for you. X plus 115 degree is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 minus 115. Okay. Now just subtract 180, 115 from 180. It will become 7 minus 165. So my dear students, it is the 65-degree angle. Now this angle is 65 degree. Now x is equal to 65 degree. Since these are opposite, vertically opposite angle, therefore this is also 65 degrees. It was very simple. I think each question is very important, and I am wondering which question should I leave to do it by yourself, DIY. You know, DIY. Do it yourself. So let me start with part D now. Now, dear students, you can see that again two angles are unknown and two angles are given to us. So it is very easy again, since this is a vertically opposite angle and I have told you the story about vertical opposite angles. So this is angle Y is equal to 57 degree. Now there is no doubt about that Y is equal to 57 degree. Just repeat that you just consider, just hide the triangle which you are looking at, then these are the two lines, these are intersecting each other at one common point, so there two pair of angles are found. Now this is 57 degree. I can even find this angle also, but since it is not asked, so I am not going to. Now this angle, I can also find these angles. I can also find angle Z over here. It is very easy. It is very much easy. And there is a theorem to find the angle when this angle, outer angle, is given to you. So anyhow, now x plus 121 degree. X plus 121 degree is equal to 180 degree, because this line acts as a supplementary angle 0 to 180 degree. You can see that. Now x plus, now these are the supplementary degree, so x is equal to 180 minus 121, 60 and 59 degree. Now this is 59 degree. X is equal to 59 degree, y is equal to 57 degree. And if this angle was asked to me, I can just add and 2, and I could have found this angle also. But since it is not asked, so I am not telling it to you anymore. Now dear students, I'm going to solve last two part of this question, because we have to uh, I I am trying to finish this exercise today, and time is already uh, running short. So there are angle 82 degree. Again this is 82 degree, 82 degree and 82 degree. X is to be find here. Now we have to find x over here. X, and what one? Which one? Y and Z. Now we have to find this y and also this z. Now we have to find three angles over here, x, y, z. So it is very simple. No need to hurry. X is equal to x is equal to, or you can say x plus 82 plus 82 is equal to 180 degree, because these are the supplementary angles. Don't just look on the reverse position, just look at this line above, uh, above this line. 82 plus x plus 82 is equal to 180 degree. Just add them. X is equal to 164 is equal to 180 degree. 8224 and 8816. Okay. Now x plus is equal to, okay. So you can just do it like this, 164. Now this is equal to 16 degree. Now this is equal to 16 degree. Now this y angle, we have already solved x angle. Now this y angle, since this is vertically opposite angle, just consider these two lines, this line and this line. Just forget now. I just write it here, forget this line now. When you forget this line, you will see that there is one line over here, one line over here. Then these are the vertically opposite angles. So y is equal to 82 degree. You can write it in your reason vertically opposite. If you are asked to write the reason, then you can write. And here you can also write supplementary angles. Okay. Now we have left only with z. Z is again z is again vertically opposite, and now just forget this one. Forget this one. Forget this line. Then there are two lines, and this is z. Z is equal to 16 degree. Okay. This is again vertically opposite angle. Now uh, there are few questions which you will have to do by yourself. Now there is angle 27 degree. Part I, the last part of question number 2. Now this is x and this is how much? 4x. Huh? This is 142 degree. This is 142 degree. Now you see that this angle is given to you to confuse you. Now this has nothing to do with this diagram, because if we have to find x, we have to find the supplement. This is the supplementary angle now. These are the supplementary angles. X plus 142 is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 minus 142 and x is equal to 38 degree. It's so simple. Now this angle is given to you to just to confuse you. Question number 3, and we'll be doing uh, part B, because part B is more interesting than part A. Now dear students, look at the diagram very carefully, and we have to find x over here. And you see that x, this is there are some angles given. This is part B, question number 3, x, and this is 2x, and this is 45 degree. How many angles are given? There are 3 angles given. As many angles are given. Now this is 90 degree, because a sine is also given over here like this. This is what we wanted was, because without this we couldn't have solved this question. So what does it mean? It means that the total angle consists of 90 degrees. So we can just find it, x plus 2x plus 45 degree is equal to 90 degree. Just add these, 3x plus 45 is equal to 90, and 3x is equal to 90 minus 45. Now it becomes 45, and 3x, just divide with 3, you will get x is equal to 15 degree. X is equal to 15 degree. Now x is equal to 15 degree. So this one angle is 15 degree, and this angle, the angle which is in middle, it is 2x. So 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 15 degree. It is equal to 30 degree. Now this angle is 30 degree. 30 plus 45 plus 30, 75 plus is equal to 90 degree. You see that these are the complementary angles. Question number 3, part C. Now this diagram is given to us in which angle x is given, angle 2x is given, angle 4x is given, and 150 angle is given. So don't be afraid, don't be confused. Now you see this is a line. When you find a line, that means that there are supplementary angles over here. Okay, now these are supplementary angles. So we will just find, is there any other thing given? No, there isn't any other thing given. So 150 plus 2x, we will find that 2x plus 150 is equal to 180. So what will be the answer? 2x is equal to 180 minus 150. So it will become 30. So 2x is equal to 30 and x is equal to 15 degree. Now it means that 2x, now we have found angle, in fact we have found angle 2x over here, this one. Now this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree angle, and with the same result we have also found, because x and x are equal and x and x are supposed to be equal, therefore this is 15 degree angle, this is 15 degree angle, and 4x, 4 multiplied by 15 is equal to 60. Now this is a 60 degree angle. How easy it was, just a confusing diagram. Now dear students, I have solved this question for you, but this is wrong. Uh, who will point out this mistake in this question? But because this is given like this, so I have found it, I have calculated it the way it is given now. You see that this 150 plus 2x form the angle 180. Now this is a line, straight line. So 180 plus 2x. So it means that 2x is equal to 30 degree. Since it is 150 degree, it is 30 degree. Now I have pointed out the mistake now. In fact, this angle which is given in your book, you can see it. This is 2x and this is x. This is 2x and this is x as given in your book. But I am going to change it in this way. Okay. Now see the difference here. Now 150 plus x. 150 plus x will give us 150 plus x. X plus 150 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 130. So x will be 30. Since now this x is equal to 30 degree. X is equal to 30 degree. And what about this? Now this is 2x and this is 4x. Now this is 2x. 2 multiplied by x is equal to 60 degree. And 4 multiplied by 30 is equal to 120 degree. Now you can also verify it from this side also. This is the same line. This is 120 degree, 60. That means 120 plus 60, 180. 150, 30, 180. So this is the correct. The book has either by mistake they have given this angle as x and this is 2x, but in fact this is x and this is 2x. So now it is correct. Now it is correct. This one was wrong. Okay, this was wrong. I was uh, also imagining that why the same line here is the supplementary and consists of 150 plus 15 when I found it as x. Now it was given 2x. So x, it means that 150 plus 30, 150 plus 30, and here it was given x. X was 15 degree, 15, and 15x is 60. So this side was not being verified. Now this side, this side was not being verified. This side, this was verified whatsoever is given, but this side was not being verified. Now you can verify the both sides. Now dear students, question number 4 is given. Two angles are supplementary. The first is twice the size of second. Very simple, very much simple. You see that these are supplementary angles now. These are supplementary angles, and we know that supplementary angle consists of 180 degrees. It is well known to you now. Now first angle is twice. Now this is the diagram which I have drawn. The first angle is twice. Now this is 2x and this is x. So it means that x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. 3x is equal to 180 degree, and x is equal to it is 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. Now x is equal to 60 degree, and therefore this is equal to 120 degree. We just multiply to it. It was very simple. So dear students, this is the last question of the day. One of the angle found when two lines intersect each other is 127 degree. What are the sizes of the other three angles? It is very, very, very easy. Just draw a diagram. Now this is a diagram. Very roughly I have drawn, and it is 127 degree. So we have to find other three. So this is x. Now this is y, and since these are intersecting each other, so this is again x. So it means that x and x are equal and y is equal to 127 degree. So it is confirmed that y is equal to 127 degree. This was the first angle. Now this is 127 degree, and these are supplementary angles. 180 minus 127. So it becomes 3 and 5. 53 degree. So this is 53 degree. Again this is 53 degree, because these are vertically opposite angles, and this is 127 degree. So dear students, today's lecture is over. So dear students, today's lecture is over, and we have done all the exercise today. Very great. And in the upcoming exercise, we are again coming up with very important topic, and that is angles and parallel lines, corresponding angles and whatsoever it are. These are. So it's time to say you goodbye. Allah Hafiz.